Hello and welcome to Stender Painting. I'm your host, Jimmy Stender. I just got this bad boy by the mail and I thought I would do an unboxing. So let's begin. On the front of the box we have this really cool artwork. I'm sure you've already seen this a million times. And on the back side we have an overview on what's inside the box. I'll throw a picture up on the screen for you to better watch. And there is a whole lot in this box. You have a lot of miniatures, 94 I believe, and tokens and cards and a book full of maps and more cards and dice and so on and so forth. It says here that you can be from 1 to 4 players and ages 12 plus, and playtime is about 45 minutes. And yeah, with that said, I would like to get inside the box. Here we go. I wonder what will be the first thing that greets us. Miniatures, of course, this is Game Choice after all. Well, actually, there's about 1 million bases here. Well, if I should take a guess, I'd say 94. No, sorry, 49. And we have some sprues, and this one is in different color. I do believe these are the heroes of the pack. Yeah, it seems so. And then we have your standard gray sprues for your villains and monsters and so on. There's an extra base here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprues of miniatures. And yet another base. There's a package here. I do believe these are dice. Let's test it out. Yeah, indeed, dice. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 standard dice and these special dice. I don't know the rules to the game yet, but I very much look forward to playing it. But this looks interesting. Following that, we have another box. And just seeing if there's anything here. It's still quite heavy. Yeah, well, this is a big book. It fills the entire box. Whoa, very big book. These are for the maps of the game, I do believe. Yeah, indeed. And I thought I read there was about 19 maps, if I remember correctly. So this is your playing area. Looks very cool. Yeah. We have some artwork on the front here. And a slightly obscured Nurgle symbol. And with that, let's get inside the next box. I need my knife once again. Like so. I wonder what this is. Must be all the cards. Yeah. We have a quick start guide for the game with a QR code for a video tutorial. I do believe this is the tutorial they just uploaded on Warhammer's own YouTube channel. And yeah, plenty of cards here. This one says nothing. Then we have some Act 1 cards, open for your first game. I still want to play this game myself, so I'm not going to open and show you these, but I'll just show you how many packages are in here. Act 1 cards open for your first game, okay. Then we have some bonus cards, do not open until you have completed Act 1. I'll obey that. Act 2 cards. Do not open until you have completed Act 1. You got it. This is just some filler. Act 2 cards do not open until you have completed Act 1. Yeah, I get the gist of it now. And what do we have here? Warhammer Quest Darkwater. Read this first. This is the assembly guide for all the miniatures that's included in the game. And they are pushed to fit, so you don't need glue, but I'm going to glue them together anyway. I prefer that. Also, if you're looking for some painting guides to some of these miniatures, I'm not going to create any of those because I think there's already plenty good ones out there. I could recommend Warhipster, for instance. He's a very good painter and has made a tutorial for each and every miniature included in this game. But I am going to show you how to make some bases eventually for your Darkwater miniatures. So if you want to see that, please subscribe. Act 3 cards do not open until you have completed Act 2. And some more filler and plenty more cards. I do hope you like cards if you intend to buy this game. Act 3 cards do not open until you've completed Act 2. And bonus cards do not open until you've completed Act 1. More filler. And the rulebook. It's pretty thin and filled with artwork and pictures and some background info as well. So I'm taking a guess and saying that this game might be quite simple actually, since there's not that many rules, but see Warhammer's own how to play video and judge for yourself. And some tokens. We have a boat here and some different symbols. These are double-sided. And another one. Also double-sided. And that's all she wrote. This is all you get in the box Warhammer Quest Darkwater. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you have any questions regarding the contents of this box, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. And also, thank you for watching, and happy painting!